Right, so in this video we're going to start at the back here, and we're possibly going to make more videos as I was thinking about it as we move forward and down. So if we look at the PDF, if we're going to work along the top here, we can see that this edge over here and this edge over here will sit on that construction that we have created, our blue box. So we're going to go back and we can see that that's obviously a total of, if we look at the front here, this is a total of 45, which we're going to offset in a moment. So back to the drawing board or CAD, and we've got outlines ready to go. I'm going to shift my cursor with F5 or FN and F5. I'm going to start there, move across. Then I'm going to pull this across along the back there, and I'm just going to go snap onto that point there, and you can see how they meet. And then I can I can click anywhere because it'll snap onto that point, and then I'm going to bring it across. And now we're going to go and get that little rectangle in the middle. Alright, so now we're going to get that, as I said, that little rectangle at the top. But before we do that, if you do not see a thick outline evident, then you'll just need to go to this little customization bar here, make sure that line weight is ticked on, and that you've activated the line weight button at the bottom here. So when it highlights blue, you'll notice that that line weight shows itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the construction, if you like, pencil out or layer, and we're going to just use a circle command to create points on which we can work off along this top rectangle. So if we go look at the PDF again, you'll see here that rectangle is 45 long, right? And it'll be about 20 wide, because this is about 10 offset. This is sort of a 10 parallel on the inside here, this little offset rectangle. So how did we work that out? Well, that's 45, and we know that this is 65. We know that we have 10 to play with on each side, 40 here. We would assume then that has to be 10 all the way around. Okay, and again, then it'll be consistent with everything else in the PDF. So we go back to CAD, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be sneaky. I'm going to use the circle command, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, by the way, I'm going to go out of my ISO command for this. So I'm going to click off ISO. Right, you'll see why in a moment. Okay, and I'm going to just go get the circle, and I'm going to do a circle with a radius. It should be set up with radius. To change it, you would hit diameter or D. We don't want to. We want to keep it in radius. Right, and I'm going to move it open until and I'm going to type in 10 and enter. Now, instead of redoing it, which you can, I'm just going to click on this, then type in CO for copy, and then press enter, and then go grab that midpoint and then go populate it on all four corners of the rectangle. Okay, what have we created here? Well, let's go back to ISO, and you're going to see line command. I'm going to go connect each point of symmetry that intersects with the rectangle on the outside. So that circle intersects there, and it intersects there. Right? I'm going to start here. It intersects there, and it intersects there. It intersects over there and there. So we want lines of symmetry that are parallel, that connect the two parts of the circle that intersect, right, on either edge, on either side. And you can see now that we have created that rectangle feature in the middle. And so here all I would do is go outlines, make sure the line command is ready to go, and go ahead and construct that middle rectangle. The last bit of information we need, right, is to just turn our mouse around, and you know that in that far corner we need to represent the corner that goes down. So I'm going to drag that, and you can go until you come into contact. You can see it gets a bit funny. I just go along, go beyond a little bit, and then I type in the word trim, or you click your trim cursor over here, and you just go and remove that. So there we have it, the top rectangular feature on this little simple block and model. We're going to work our way down here onto the next level in the next video.